In order to survive, yeast need to make ATP, which gives them energy. It's used in almost every single reaction in the cell. But how do you make ATP? ATP is made through a process called glycolysis. Glycolysis requires glucose, NAD+, and ATP, and it makes pyruvic acid more ATP, and it has a net gain of 2 ATP and NADH. Glycolysis is a great way of making ATP. Problem is, cells run out of NAD+, a reactant in glycolysis, very quickly. That's why they do fermentation. 2 types of fermentation: alcoholic fermentation and lactic acid fermentation. Yeast does both alcoholic and lactic acid fermentation. For alcoholic fermentation, you need NADH and pyruvic acid, and you make NAD+, which is the goal, and alcohol and CO2. The CO2 is what allows our bread to rise. Yeast also do lactic acid fermentation, which is similar, except instead of creating alcohol and CO2, it creates lactic acid for our bread's tangy flavor. Cellular arrest 32 to 34 ATP for every glucose that you use. Glycolysis only gives you 2 ATP. Glycolysis doesn't have as many steps and is much less complicated and doesn't require oxygen. Bacteria necessary for good sourdough bread starter are the lactic acid bacteria, Lactobacillus sanfranciscus, which is named after the unique strain of bacteria found in the Bay Area. Also L. fermentum, L. brevis, L. kieferi, and L. casei. Also Lactobacillus plantarum. And to my starter, I'm just going to add a half a cup, so 2 scoops of flour in a fourth of a cup, or 1 cup of water.
Mia has been doing so much hard work on her starter. I've been very impressed by her dedication.